guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Nonsense Corner and thank you for tuning in to watch this video. Please, if you're not subscribed to my channel, please kindly subscribe. Thank you so much. And if you're a returning subscriber, oh my god, I love you. Okay, today I'm going to be doing what is in my hospital bag video. Like you all might already know, I'm pregnant. And today I'm actually 37 weeks pregnant, so I have roughly 3 weeks to go. So I need to pack my bags, I need to pack my hospital bags, and this video is basically just going to be me packing my bag, and probably I might do a room tour. Yeah. And from the room tour you can now decipher the baby's gender, because everything in this room speaks the gender of this baby. Anyway, so I'll start with my own bag, then I'll do my baby's bag. Okay, this is the bag I'll be going with. I can actually put me and my baby's stuff in this bag, but I want it to be packed separately. So I'll be going with pajamas. The pajamas, and this is the trousers. And I'll also be going with this sweatpants. It's kind of big and loose. Yeah, I'll go with this sweatpants. And I'm going with a maternity pad. Is that what it's called? Yeah, one of this. I'm going with a towel. I'm packing things I feel that I might need, just so that I won't be stranded and feel like, oh, I forgot this. So I'm just packing as much as I can. So that's it. This is a bathrobe, yeah. This is another pajamas. Also, in my hospital bag, I have some maternity pants, underwear. I don't know if I should be showing this on YouTube. Put it here. Then some thick winter socks. My winter socks, I have 2 of these. Just stick it here. And nursing bra, I have 3 nursing bras I'll be going with. I don't know how many I might need, but it's all good. If I need more, the hospital is not far from the house. Anything I'll need more, my husband will come home and get it. And a soapbox for the road. Put it here. Toiletries, I have my toothpaste and my Dove shower gel. Keep it here. I also have to go with my toothbrush and my sponge for bathing, but I'm not ready to pack those yet. So this is my hospital bag. So in my baby's bag, I'll just be packing things that, essential things that baby will need. One of it's the baby's diaper. There are 3 diapers here, and from the information I've gotten, the hospital is also going to provide some diapers for the baby. So I'm just taking this in case. Okay, I'll put this here. Then a blanket to cover the baby. So I'll just put it here. This is some onesies, some cute baby onesies. Just gonna fold it and put it here. This is another onesie. This is a thicker onesie for sleeping. So cute. This is another onesie. Onesie. Might not need all of these, but just so we won't be stranded. This is my baby's outfit for going home. It's a white, kind of thick overall. So cute. I'll just keep it. I'm just going to put it inside. I don't want it to get stained. Keep it. And this is like a baby towel. I have two of it. This is a baby sweater. This is, what they call this? I have to start getting used to these things they call baby sucker. That stuff you put in the baby's mouth. I don't know if he'll be needing it, but I'm just going to take it along with me. Some warm hats for the cold, because it's a winter baby. It's going to be here in November, hopefully. Tiny baby socks. This is so cute. Just going to put it here. Other things I'll be going with is my baby's car seat. The car seat is already in the car. We already set it up in the car, so that's there already. And other things I'll be going with is my phone charger. We don't have a camera right now, so most of the pictures and the videos we'll be making will be with our phones. And I'm also going to be packing my husband's maybe a pair of trousers for him for change of clothes if he's going to stay over in the hospital with me. So I'm going to be packing a pair of trousers for him and maybe a polo top and probably socks and snacks also. Now that we're done with showing you what's in my hospital bag and my baby's bag, I'm going to do a mini baby room tour. So we've come to the end of this video. This is like a two-part video. What's my hospital bag and a mini baby room tour. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Like I've been saying from the beginning of this video, please subscribe to my channel and also like and leave a comment down below. Thank you so much. See you in my next video. Mwah.